Well, what's going on out there, gun tubers, YouTubers, and everybody else? It's a beautiful day today. It's a beautiful day. It's HK day. I brought home my H&K SP5, civilian version of the MP5, and man, I can't wait to get it open. I'll just show you the box it comes in. It's just a standard old cardboard box, and it's got the actual manufacturer date on it. This was manufactured November 2023, so it's now 2024 March, and so this is a pretty new one. So it's got the serial number and the manufacturer date, that kind of stuff on the sticker over here. So let's open it up. Oops, there's a receipt. Don't need to see that. Gotta get you divorced. You gotta get rid of that thing quick. All right, so here's the box, and look how sweet this box is. Let me go ahead and get this cardboard out of the way. Take a look at this. Yeah. Nice case, nice case. Nylon. It's got these Velcro on it or whatever, so you can put your morale patches. Nice HK logo, and got all these little tabs to put whatever you want. A couple of pockets, put whatever you want on each side. All right, so let's go ahead and turn this thing around. See what she looks like. There she is. Let's see, SP5, excuse me there. Messing with the camera here. That's what comes with it. This little nice Velcro case. And you can move these tabs around if you want to move it, whatever. That's gonna have the magazines in it, I would imagine. See that? This is the sight tool that comes with it. Got a side bungee sling, which I won't be using, but some people do. Still pretty nice. And then two made in Germany 30-round mags. And these are really nice metal mags, and they're expensive, but good. All right, so we got the owner's manual here, and it's got a lock, and you got a sticker if you want to put on your gun safe or whatever. Pretty sweet, pretty sweet. That's got the K version. I got the top one, the full-size version. I like them both, but this is the classic one, so had to go with this. Take a look. Look at there, look at there. Man. So there's your threaded barrel, tri-lug adapter. That's the top of it, what it looks like. Go ahead and clear it. Point in a safe direction, of course. It's clear. There's your sights. Very nice. Here's the other side. Says all this warnings and refer to your owner's manual and all that. That is it. That is it, guys. and we're gonna get some range footage of this thing. Not sure when I'm going to make it out to the range, but as soon as I do, I will get this thing on camera and show it to y'all. But man, I'm excited. This thing is so sweet. All right, guys, hope y'all enjoyed the video. Let's call it a day. We out.